Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and today, just a little bit of my day. You see that right there? I've been painting inside. That is a wood box. An epic wood box. You know Danny does nothing small, so this is our wood box here, and we're going to do a video on that later. I've been painting all morning. I've already harvested 3 small cucumbers out of my greenhouse. Now, I'm going to take you out. We're going to look at the green patch because I want some greens. I already have jalapeno cornbread made. Y'all, we're going to have lunch. These are the cucumbers that I just harvested, and the ones I ate a couple of days ago were so crisp and I couldn't wait. These are just the perfect size for eating. But look at this, guys. Greens just as far as you can see. Isn't that awesome? So I'm going to pick some of the leaves that are about this size. I'm going to just get some of the, I guess these are the tender greens that Danny planted. And then this is the kale. I'm hoping eventually with the kale to, I hope I don't have them backwards, but I think I got it right. I think this is the kale and this is the greens. There are 2 different leaves, made a little different. It's hard to tell, but they are different. I'm going to get some of both. And I don't think anybody's going to miss any. Do you? So I'm going to sit here and cut or just break off quite a few of these. And we're going to have lunch later. So I about have a bag, enough for me and Danny. And guys, look at this. Can you even tell I got any? No, not a first one. And probably the deer will find them eventually, but y'all, we got greens everywhere. Alright, we've got water covered them, and y'all see I'm putting a good bit of salt. This is not going to absorb into my greens and make them too salty. That's mainly to make salty water in order to pull any bugs that might be in that on those leaves. It'll pull them to the surface because they'll come out of that salt water, and then I'll drain it and I'll rinse them 3 or 4 times. And I know you're going to ask, how am I going to cook them? Danny cooked me some bacon this morning, and so I'm going to take this bacon grease, and I'm going to add it to this. This is some lard that I cooked some chicken in. We're going to add a touch of water. We're going to put all the greens in there. We will add salt then, and I'm going to saute them down. And if we need a touch of water, we'll keep adding, but mainly I'm going to kind of fry them and saute down these greens, and we're going to have jalapeno cornbread. And doesn't that look great? The peppers, the cheese, everything, the corn, all in this. This is awesome with the greens because you get all your, like I said, peppers, onions, cheese, all that in the cornbread, and then your greens go on top of it. Southern eating at its finest. Alright, so I'm going to heat up some roast to go with this, and we're going to eat, and I hope you guys have a great day. That's just a little bit about what I'm doing today at Deep South Homestead, and this is Crazy Days.